Can you see yourself in the 2021 INFINITI Q50? With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a refined Q50 that brings enhanced performance and luxurious amenities along on every drive. From its quick acceleration to its smooth, serene ride and suite of safety and connectivity tech, this extraordinary sports sedan is pure satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Feel inspired in this stylish Q50. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.